Hey there, new parents. As your little one starts to toddle around, keeping them safe becomes a top priority. Baby gates are essential to childproofing your home, but with so many options, how do you choose the best one? Stay tuned as we dive into the ultimate guide to the best baby gates of 2024. We've carefully selected the top 5 baby gates to make your home a secure playground for your curious explorer. Let's get started. Toddler by North States Light the Way Gate. It features an innovative light-up motion sensor, perfect for low-light conditions. Its versatility allows it to be placed in various spots around your home. The safety-first, easy-install Walk-Thru gate is all about convenience. It offers straightforward installation and a secure barrier for your curious toddler, ideal for parents who need a quick and reliable solution. For modern homes, the Munchkin Loft Gate offers a sleek aluminum design and top-notch safety features. Perfect for securing staircases, its contemporary look and sturdy construction make it a favorite. Regalo Easy Step Baby Gate, known for its simplicity and value. It's versatile, fits various openings, and is incredibly easy to set up. With over 90,000 positive reviews on Amazon, it's a reliable and affordable choice. Our top pick is the Evenflo barn door Walk-Thru Baby Gate. Combining safety and style, this gate features a robust wood and metal construction with a convenient one-hand operation and a quiet auto-close hinge. Perfect for the top of stairs with its stair-stopper feature. Customers love its sturdy build and elegant design. Check it out on Amazon for more details and reviews. When selecting these top gates, we considered safety features, durability, ease of use, versatility, and certifications. Each gate meets the highest standards to ensure your child's safety and your peace of mind. Every baby is unique, and so are your home's safety needs. By choosing one of these top-rated baby gates, you can ensure a secure environment for your little explorer. Check the links in the description for more detailed reviews and to purchase the perfect gate for your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful parenting tips and product guides. Share your experiences in the comments below. See you next time.